Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: 99% of Python programmers never learn this feature, exploring Python's enumerate function. Introduction. Python is a versatile and powerful programming language known for its readability and simplicity. While most Python programmers are familiar with the basics, there are many hidden gems and lesser-known features that can greatly improve your code's efficiency and readability. In this tutorial, we'll delve into one such feature, the enumerate function. The enumerate function allows you to iterate over both the elements and their indices in a sequence, making your code more concise and readable. This feature is often overlooked by many Python programmers, but it can be a game changer in various situations. Let's dive into how to use enumerate, with code examples to illustrate its benefits. The enumerate function is built into Python and takes an iterable, such as a list, string, or dictionary, as input. It returns an iterator that generates pairs of indices and elements as you iterate over the input iterable. Here's the basic syntax of enumerate. Let's start by using enumerate with a list. We'll create a list of fruits and print both the index and the fruit name. Output. You can also use enumerate with strings to access both the index and characters of the string. Output. While dictionaries don't have a natural order like lists and strings, you can still use enumerate with the .items method to iterate over key value pairs with their respective indices. Output. Now that you understand how to use enumerate, let's explore a few practical examples where it can be extremely useful. The enumerate function is a valuable tool that can simplify your code and make it more expressive. By using it, you can access both the index and the elements of an iterable, enhancing your ability to work with lists, strings, and dictionaries in Python. Don't be among the 99% of Python programmers who overlook this feature. Start using enumerate in your code to make it more efficient and readable today. ChatGPT.